Hi there and welcome. In today's video, I'll be looking at the Otterbox Defender Series case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. With the insane price tag of $1,300 for this device, if you own one, you want to make sure that the case you're purchasing is the right amount of protection for your device. So join me while we discover the answer to the question, is the Otterbox case 23 years later still up to the task? Let's start this review off by doing a quick overview of the reviews on Amazon. There's some Amazon questions here that might be beneficial to you. This customer asked, does this case support wireless charging? There's some here that say it does work, some that don't. Definitely appears that OEM wireless chargers do work. All right, the top review that they're showing is actually a critical review. It looks like this customer will be returning theirs due to an issue with the rubber coming up around the camera cutout. And apparently they had the same exact issue on the Note 10 Plus. All right, this customer is very pleased with it. They like the coverings of the USB port, which there's no headphone jack. The only port you really need to be covered is your USB port. This one is a 3-star review. His complaint here, and the reason why it looks like he took off 2 stars, is because when he dropped his phone on cement, it cracked his screen protector on the back of his camera. Person here, best protection. Very happy, replaces it every 6 months because the rubber does get stretched out after continued use. So what I did is I went ahead and purchased this case on Amazon. I bought the Desert Sage / Varsity Blues color. I purchased it for $59.95. Starting with the packaging, I'm not overly impressed with it. I miss the black and yellow packaging that Otterbox has had for years. The signature look that we've all come to know and love. First, start off with the Drop Plus, 4 times tested by military standard, multi-layer defense. It also mentions that it's wireless charging compatible. If you remember from earlier in the video, there was an Amazon answers on this, and it appears that there was some mixed reviews. Off to the right of the box here, it does say 5G compatible. Now, to my understanding and a little bit of research that I have done, the 5G signal is a little bit more sensitive than 4G was to any shielding could possibly be on. In the packaging, there is a possibility that it can occur on occasion. Going to the back, we have port protection. It says raised edges protect camera and screen. There are some raised edges around the front, and for the most part will probably protect your phone. As for the camera, it's more of a flat edge than it is a raised edge like the Samsung Galaxy brown leather case. I'm gonna go ahead and get it out of the packaging and give you my quick thoughts on the feel and the look of the case. Picking up the case, if you look at the bottom, there's your port protection that was referenced earlier in one of the reviews of this port. You have the S Pen slot. Now, the implementation that they use on this case for this S Pen hole is a little off. It feels weird when trying to go and push the pen out. That top part here kind of gets in the way. Then up close view of the camera bump, you can see here that it is definitely flat around the edges, and the camera bump does just screw just a little bit from the edge. Now going over to the buttons, nice clicky button, no issue there, worked just fine. The clip itself is just your normal clip. You just clip it in like you normally do. Now spinning the clip, it is a little tough at first. All right, so that is all I have for this case, and at the price point this currently is at, definitely go ahead and buy. As you can see, for the most part, 4.7 out of 5 customers enjoy the case. It's your go-to Otterbox Defender series that has been around for 23 years, and it will be up to the task of protecting your phone. If you do decide to purchase the case, I have put the link in the description below. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching and take care.